Hi! As you can see, it's winter overnight. We were able to finalize some of our winterization tasks. We winterized the boat and we completed winterization of our camper. And I even were able to smoke some moose sausage. We were also able to go on a couple nice hikes before the snow came. And if you like, then just come with me and see what we were up to during the last 2 weeks. Enjoy! One of my favorite areas here are the White Mountains along Gnome Creek. There's no road maintenance during the winter, therefore we decided to go there one more time and hike Tabletop Mountain. Not far from the peak, Isla met this porcupine and we had to stop for a while and remove quills from her nose and lip. We got them all out and were able to continue our hike. And this is Tabletop. The view from here is just stunning. Along the creek is a public gold panning area. Those tailings are from earlier times when a dredge worked its way all the way through the creek. then all of a sudden, ponds, puddles and lakes started to freeze over. We really wanted to get some grouse for Thanksgiving, but all we found was frozen signs of bears roaming this area. So we went home, where enough work was waiting for us. We made moose summer sausage, put up our outdoor lights before it's really too cold for that task. And finally covered the camper. And there it is, the first snow of the season. And slowly our world will be white again for the next 6 months. A last visit at the beer garden. And watching out for moose on the way home. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why don't you subscribe to my channel and leave me a thumbs up? And you can also recommend this channel or these videos to your friends, families, co-workers, whoever you think might enjoy a little bit of Alaska from home. And yeah, then I'll say stay healthy, stay safe, and see you in probably a couple of weeks. Bye!